was writing all the scenarios, but not this scenario. Like we give him a gift. It was a misunderstanding between some players. It's happened, but it's not happened in the good time and the good day. You know, we are what we can say. It's difficult to try to explain something the analogical there. We play against a strong team, but we try to develop our football. Of course, that miss of some offensive players who was injury, then the new players, what they call for this game. The last minute led us to change our squad, but yeah, it's not easy to find a word to explain something. I don't have this explication. You know, we fight, we play, we have the position, we have more chance than them. We play with good organization. We develop football from building from down to up, but the finishing also. You see, this is what we have in our league, what we have in our players. I can blame any person. I can blame the luck. It was not with us today. Like what the coach, what he says, is hold up. Yes, it was hold up. This, yeah, this is what I can say. If you need to go somewhere to play a big tournament, you must have that structure, that organization, that foundation. It's not on a few days, or you change the coach, or you change the president, or you change, I don't know, or the CEO, you are going to make a magic thing. No, you must work, you must have more players, you must progress in the league, have good league, have the youth, under 20, under 23, the league for the youth. You see, we are far. Don't talk about something World Cup and you don't have foundation. You know, you must be honest. The players, when you have 8 players, maybe 4 and 8 play in the league, and it's not easy to have good players when all is from outside, from Zambia, Zimbabwe, DRC, Burundi. You know, when I ask about this player, he told me this one is from Burundi, this one from Zambia. But we are working with the players what we have, and the good thing is there are some players outside is coming to join the team, and I am sure with this team, this player what we are going to get outside, we can build the team. But I back again, if you don't have the foundation, forget. You can go for only for a few times and you're back, because the football without foundation, it's impossible to. You are going to sell the dream, you know, and the fake dream for the people. The first thing is to have, you know, our technical department to start to scout in the youth, you know, and you have very good youth development. Because I ask you now, give me one player, 17 years, he can play in the national team. I asked the technical director, he told me, coach, we don't have. You see, if there are 16 I put in, because you can take example for all the teams, national team what I coached before. Kenya, Olunga, he was 16 when I took him to the national team. In Burundi, Piero Kwizera 16, Shassir 16, Papi Fati 16, Dimunga 16. All those players, he still played till now. You know, Cedric Abisi, he was 17. If you don't have the youth category to prepare the future, you know, it's difficult to have good future, because it's not logical, you know. And if you are going to write only the outside, is going to build for you the players, you know. And some players, when they come, you come with his own culture. You don't know the culture of Rwanda. You don't know how the adapt. When you come here, it's difficult to adapt himself in the country. There are a lot of things, but I say now, I said it yesterday, without foundation, you know, we can have a strong national team.
Coach Dale.
We are very, very sad about it. It's, you know, the sadness is double, you know, triple, because the President of the Republic, you know how you love football, how you love the youth, and how people love him also, and for that, when we lose, it's difficult to express yourself because you don't find the word behind all these fantastic supporters. What we have here in Rwanda, we have, you see, but don't sell the dream. This is what we are now in this moment. This is the player what we have, you know, and we are going to work, you know, with me, without me. You see, I will tell you something. I come here to work. I don't come here to visit Rwanda because every year I come 2 times, 3 times here to see my friend. This region is not something special for me. It's my friend here. I love this country because I have a very good relation with my people here. I come here to do something, but I am honest, I'm loyal. I'm not going to sell the dream of the fake dream. You must work. We need to work. You can bring Trapatoni, I don't know which coach. In this moment, it's difficult. But soon, the team is going to be good with those players who is coming out because we need that offensive side. Also, the message is, I say yesterday, when there are something, come to take the truth from the coach, what happened inside the team. When you talk about those players who don't come from Europe, like Sahabu, like Samuel, like York, come to take the news, the truth from the mouth of the coach. Don't judge and don't listen for outside for that fake news. Yeah, see, we have that chance. The Minister of Sports, she was in the dressing room. I thank us for this support. Also, she was there to give that support, moral support for the players. I think with the defeat we learn, see, and we are going to, after the game, you know, tomorrow afternoon we are going to talk, you know, because the players is very sad. Also, you know, I can say something because I saw them all. Is some players crying, some players very sad, some players shouting. It's normal. They don't accept, and they have the same feeling like you, like other people, you know. And we did everything, you know. We prepare ourselves for everything. But this is a lesson, and also, if you must grow, you must play like this game. Like the last time when you play Algeria, these 2 games, people start to talk too much for nothing because it's easy to play small teams and you win and everything is fine. No, we play against big team. Then if we lose in friendly games, it's no problem because we are going to learn about this. You know, we must change our vision. We are not here, like what they say, only to sell the dream, the fake dream, but we are here to work. And in my position, I am going to do everything to bring this team in the top. Now, because the result kill us, but there are some progress, you know, in my view. You know, maybe in other view, there are no progress. But each person how he see the football, you know, we can see for the same windows, but we don't see the same thing, you know. But I am optimistic for this team, with me, without me. I know these players who is coming in the national team is going to give more happiness for the supporters. And what can I say in the end? Sorry. Yes, I'm sad for the supporters, you know, but it's not the end of the life. The more important is the tragedy, is the AFCON. You know, if you want to beat for 27 from now, you know, and you must be only realistic. We are going to bring more player offensive, you know, and we can do it. They are good spirit. This fight is doing all best. You see, I trust them, and believe me, he is going to learn about this mistake. I saw them crying inside and very sad. And yeah, the character for those players, I think we must do it, and we are going to do it. This is what happened. You must see, we have time to work. We are going to work to do it.
Last one.
Good, yeah, nice, good question, because you give question and you reply for yourself, because say maybe this is your view, and I respect your view, but in our plan, Kevin, he was important in the team. There are something when we work. If you analyze the game, you know, he don't bad game. He did something good, of course. You know, he did all what he can do. He do it, you know, and with his spirit, he fight. He give good passes. He tried to do his best, and tactically he was good in the team. And I think he's cover a lot other players behind him, like Jihadi, like Bonner. For the second ball, he was always there. This is your view, and I respect your view. But Kevin is one also of the good players in the team. He's going to, you know, when he play in South Sudan also. See, when you have your player playing that level, and always I told him, you know, with all my respect for the country, but the level for the league is not the league, but what we have here. Who's the best team now in Rwanda? There are 3 or 4. Look at these 4 teams, you know, what we can bring for that team. Yes. I will tell you. I will tell you. No, I will tell you why Georgia. Why? Georgia, he asked to go out, he get cramp.
Yes, what waited to remove him before he show you want to go out? Show you want to go out again.
I don't understand this tactical thing is...
When
Wait him, giving you signs.
Why?
Don't take me for this question. Thank you, madam. No, I will tell you for Georgia. You see, we can have, you know, we need the balance in the front. And Georgia is one who can keep the ball, you know, in the leg. See, he's one technical player. You see, he's a player who can take the ball. In the bench, I prefer, before one we change him, the plan was, and he said go in his positioning. But we had a plan, but in the game, you know, sometimes we change. And he feel. He say, coach, I want to stay. He say, I want to stay. I feel myself good. Many times I say, coach, let me 10 minutes. I'm good. I say, are you sure? He say, and you must believe your player also. I was player, you know. He tried, and in the end, I saw him. He was finished. I changed him. And this moment, you know, I changed him. The team was stable. They are balanced in the team. You know, if not this mistake, I think the team was not bad. Now we get chance, and he bring chance. This football, and I respect your view, but we decide, we coach about the situation. I don't see only the team player, but I see all what happened around the team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Already, Papa, already. Because we are here, I say this is your team. This is your team, you know. It's not only my team. You're welcome anytime. This is your team. And all your question, madam, is welcome. You know, this is family football. People who want to build Amavubi is welcome. Thank you very much.
Hold on, chini.
Huh?
nuko ubwo twarimo dutambukana n'abakunzi bacu twibaza aho dufatira kamwe Imana ibikoze igitangaza gikurikira ikikana twisanze ahantu hadasanzwe sibwo buri umwe yicaranye niwe mu mutuzo ni mutubingaro burimo maze amuhumbeza ibiti by'inganzamurumbo bihakikije nk'uko ubibona agafasha imitoma kwinjira neza tugitekereza ku cyo kunywa twasanganyijwe ibinyobwa by'amoko atagira ingano bega we tumanuye abiri rero dushaka gucinya akadiho niko kutugeza mu kabyiniro rushobora kwitiranya na ya Las Vegas barata umubiri byaranze tuti turatashye bati mwikwigora aha dufite amacumbi ari ku biciro bito ugeranyije n'ubwiza bwayo nirinze kuvuga iby'igikoni kidasanzwe bafite kuko byatuma nongera kwiryiminwa kubera nyamacoma n'izindi zo mwifuru utasanga ahandi wikwirukya na gogo yibaza ngo ahangaha nihe kuko ni kuri Banza Uruhuke Bar and Restaurant ni munsi y'isoko ry'Ikabuga haruguru neza y'ishuri ryo kwa Richard ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara 0788 79 268 ye baba we mbere y'izindi gahunda Banza Uruhuke.